I want you to see this. This is another recruiting poster, and it's pretty amazing, okay? Because what we have here, we've got a poster, and its message is not just to a single person, but he talks about your whole outfit at the bakery coming and joining. Come and join us, a whole company, a company of bakers for the United States Army. The amazing thing is, and this is absolutely true, it takes an everyday task, and by wearing the American uniform, you're now performing a patriotic duty. This poster was one of the favorite posters of General Huntoon. He was the commandant at West Point, and also our commandant here a number of years ago. This hung in his office. Wanted 500 bakers. So not everyone has to fire a rifle. You can bake a biscuit for the Army.